Okay, so this is a quick tutorial for Damien Dempsey and Glen Hansard's version of the Auld Triangle. Again, the guitar is tuned to DADGAD, so it's D-A-D-G-A-D. It's only 4 real chords in this song. The first one is D, which is the G string on the 2nd fret. That's the first chord. The second one will be E minor, which is the low A and low D on the 2nd fret, the top 2. Next chord is B minor, which is the low A on the 2nd fret and the middle D and the G string on the 4th fret. And the 4th chord is A, which is the middle D, the G string and the high D on the 2nd fret. And then the main riff, which is it's just a variation of the D chord. It kind of goes through the verse. So if you just go to your D chord and on the high A string, if you add your little finger on the 5th fret and you're just kind of working your way down, you're going 5, 4, 2, 4, all on the high A. So it's like, the G string is not moving at all. So it's 5, 4, 2, 4. A hungry feeling came o'er me stealing. For the next part then, it's E minor, B minor and A. And the mice were squealing in my prison cell. Back to the riff then. And the old triangle went jingle jangle all along E minor, the banks, B minor, of the Royal A. Back to the riff. And there's a small little riff in between the 2nd and 3rd verses, which goes like, G chord, and then you're adding the high D string on the 4th fret, and then you're moving just the same strings, and you're moving them both up to the 7th fret. And then it's just back to the riff again, and that's it the whole way through. So I hope that helps.